My dishwasher won't start. It has power, but just beeps 3 times.
Just to clarify, what's the make and model of your dishwasher? And have you run a diagnostic test cycle?
The make is GDF 610PMJ2S and model RG729373B.
Do you plan on doing the work yourself?
I suppose it depends on how intensive the labor is.
Anything else we should know to help you best?
I don't think so.
Hello. My name is. I'll be helping you with your appliance question today. Please wait a few moments while I review your question. Can you still select and change the different options and cycles like normal? The dishwasher just beeps 3 times when you press start? Is that accurate?
Yep. All the buttons still seem to work and function. The only difference is I'm getting the telltale beep when I close the door to the dishwasher. And when I press the start button, it thinks for a second, and then chimes 3 times. Sorry, I'm not getting the telltale beep when I shut the door.
I'm a bit confused. Are you saying that when it's working normally you get 3 beeps, but now you're not getting 3 beeps when you press start and close the door?
When it's working properly, I get a beep when I shut the door, and then when I push the start button, it starts. Right now, I don't get a beep when the door shuts. And when I push the start button, it thinks for a second, and then chimes 3 times. It's almost like it's not registering that the door is shut or something, but I'm not sure.
Okay, got it, that all makes sense. The 3 beeps means that your dishwasher does think the door is shut, that's why it won't run. The door latch switch above your tub has likely failed and needs to be replaced. You can try to flip the breaker off to the dishwasher for 5 minutes and see if the electronics will reset, but if not, then below is a link to the door latch you'll need to order and replace for your model. There is also a video at the bottom of the link which shows you how to replace the part yourself if you wanted. We are on the honor system here. If you need anything else, just let me know. You can continue asking follow-up questions at no additional charge after rating my service if you still need assistance.
Great, thank you.
No problem and good luck.
If you have a home improvement or appliance question and want to chat with an expert now, visit justanswer.com/YTHI.